Hello guys, how are you? This is Alena. Oops, Alena in Russian. Alena. Malaga travel. Daily beach again. Look, playa Malagueta. Today is the 16th of April 2024 and very warm, very hot. I would say even too hot for me. It says like it's around 28 degrees or 31 even Celsius. Some places it says like 22, but I don't know how they count it. Maybe maximum degree, I don't know. You can see I'm here. But did I know? Did I know that it's gonna be like this? I also, like you, don't know nothing until I come, yes? You never know the temperature here. But you can see, yes, people here. Lots of people, lots of people. You cannot say that there are no people here. Let's go watch how they swim. And guys, don't forget to subscribe, otherwise you will not know nothing, yes? About things happening here. Everyday beach.